An arithmetic progression has first term 7, the nth term is 84, and the 3nth term is 245. Find the value of n. The approach to solving this is to come up with equations in terms of n and use it to find the value of n. This is an arithmetic progression, therefore we have formulas for this from the formula sheet. The question wouldn't give you a piece of information unless you needed to solve for the answer. Therefore, we're going to go through all the information that has been given in this question and write down what they mean. The first term is equal to 7. This means that u1 or a equals 7. The nth term is equal to 84. Therefore, un equals 84. The 3nth term is 245. This means that u3n equals 245. We have a formula for un from the formula sheet. This means that 84, which is un, equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. We already know that u1 or a equals 7, so we can substitute the a in that expression with 7. For u3n, we can use the same formula as we did for un as well, but in this case, instead of an n, we must use 3n. And again, we already know the value of a, so we can substitute the value of a into that expression. And now we have two expressions with two unknowns, n and d, that we can solve simultaneously for n. The question only wants us to find the value of n, so we don't need the value of d. So the aim is to eliminate the d first to find the value of n, because when you solve simultaneous equations, you find one value first, then you substitute that value back to get the other value. In this case, we don't need the d, so we will eliminate d first, then only find n. There are a few ways that you can solve simultaneous equations. In this question, we are going to make d the subject of the formula for both expressions and then make d equals d or make them equal to each other to get rid of the d. After making d equals d, we have an expression in terms of n only, and we can use this to find the value of n without substituting this value of n back to find the value of d because we don't need to. If, when you solve this simultaneously, you eliminate the n and found the value of d first, you can always substitute the value of d back to get your value of n. But that is a waste of time, as these exams don't give you that much time, so try to use the method that uses the least time possible.